Hi, my name's Zekello Herod, and this is Zekello Photo. And I am going to show you how you can turn this into this. Oh yeah, baby. That's right. I've been in New Orleans and I have loved my iPhone 11 Pro. It's been my go-to. I've been doing some serious filming with my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 6K Pro, forever to be known on this channel as the 6K Pro. And I've been using that to do most of my filming, but what I've also been doing is using my iPhone exclusively as my vlog slash photo camera. And it has started to really, it is starting to really blur the lines of what am I doing here? Am I really needing to use good equipment? Eventually, I'm not going to have to worry about it. But for right now, we are going to take this and we're going to make it into this. Let's get it started. All right, so have you ever used LightRoom? And I mean, have you ever used it? I mean, for like real editing, not to make your picture look prettier, not to put a big old filter on it and then leave it like that. I'm talking about actually working with it. Well, this is a program that, let's just take a quick peek. We're going to back out of it for a second and look at some of these pictures. All right, let's go with some pictures of my sister, right? My lovely sister, she is absolutely one of my favorite models. She's always there for me to take pictures of. She's such a lovely woman, and if you ever get to meet her on camera, you will understand the greatness that is Tia Santiago. But right now, we're going to talk about how I got to this point right here. Sometimes I honestly believe that using what you got is very important. So let's talk about that. What I want you to do is use what you got. What do you have right now? You have LightRoom, which costs, I think I pay $10 a month for LightRoom and Photoshop and some cloud storage, right? So I'm going to use that cloud storage to kind of move all of my different, I'm going to use the cloud storage to kind of always have my pictures with me on the go. I don't necessarily have to, I use my real computer to kind of import them, or they come from my phone. And since they're always on my phone and they import directly into there, it works out really well for me. And now you're looking at this lovely picture of my sister. Now, I started this edit out with it looking like this. Regular picture, really, honestly. And then I worked it and contoured her face and took the lighting. But, I also did my best to set her up for success. I kind of put her in that perfect little spot in on the right-hand side. I also I made sure there were some lights behind her, and I made sure she had something illuminating her face, at least from one side, pretty good. And it was a nice sunset, and it worked out really well. And I was able to pull out those shadows, the natural shadows, and there you have it. It looks like I had a softbox out there working on it, but I didn't. So now let's go back to the picture that I was talking about. So here's the finished product. We're going to take the one that I took right before it, and we're going to transform that into this. All right. here's the quick and dirty. You go right here to the 2 circles on the right-hand side, and it will take this photo, right? And you can go through different iterations of the photo. Now, I personally do not think that this is cheating. I think that this is trying to figure out where you want to go with the photo. And first is what you do. The first thing you do is you go here and you look for the look that you're looking for. And I was thinking maybe something in the black and whites, and it just wasn't feeling right. Even though this one is really nice right here with the soft and the light shining through the trees. And I just think that's cute. But it wasn't what I wanted. What I wanted was something that kind of, I don't know, that made it warm and fuzzy, right? And so I clicked on warm shadows, and that kind of brought out what I wanted. And then I go back to my mainstays, the way I like to edit. Everyone likes to edit differently. This is the way I like to edit. Don't copy the way I like to edit. Just do the way you want to do it. But if you do it right, people will associate that look with you. And it's important that you have a good brand, a good thing that's you. So if you look at the picture, now we have gone from this to this. Not bad, but that is a far cry from that. All right. So now this is where I start looking at it and thinking to myself, I want to do something. Let's make it matte. Okay. We will make it matte. Apply that preset. Now, that's looking a little closer. Now let's do some good old-fashioned edits. I don't want to use any auto in this. All I want to do, actually, I just used auto. Dagnabbit. All right, I used some auto in this, but I didn't mean to actually do that. What I want to do is take the texture up quite a bit. Take the clarity up quite a bit, dehaze it just a little bit, take that down so that I get a little vignette around the sides. It's looking a little more like that. Maybe not as much dehaze, as a matter of fact. Let's go up by 1. And yeah, there we go. And there is very close to that. A little bluer than the other one. So let's warm it up by a little teeny bit. I'm just going to take that temperature and click it just a bit over. Now, you remember, this is all about you and how you feel it should go. But I think that this is very close to this. My name's E. Keller Harrod, and you can love Photoshop and LightRoom on the iPad or on your PC or on your phone if you have a Apple phone, of course. And I'm telling you, you can take everything from your phone straight to LightRoom, straight to the web, and you too can love the camera that you're with, no matter where you are. My name's E. Keller Harrod. I hope that you will like and subscribe. And please, please take that camera out, shoot something with it, and make the world a better place. I hope to talk to you all soon. And my name's E. Keller Harrod. And as I said before, love the camera that you're with.